car beats, where today we dive deep into one of the most anticipated SUVs of the coming year, the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This latest iteration of Jeep's flagship SUV is more than just an upgrade, it's a complete evolution in performance, design, technology, and comfort. Jeep has taken everything drivers loved about the Grand Cherokee and infused it with cutting-edge innovations, while still preserving its legendary off-road capabilities that have made it an icon for decades. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Grand Cherokee is its striking exterior design. Jeep has gone for a bold, muscular look that commands attention on the road. The front fascia has been completely reimagined, featuring a sleeker interpretation of the iconic 7-slot grille, flanked by ultra-thin LED headlights that give the SUV a more aggressive and modern stance. The hood is sculpted with precision lines that convey both strength and aerodynamic efficiency. The wheel arches remain pronounced, showcasing Jeep's rugged DNA, but now they're more refined, integrating seamlessly into the body for a premium feel. Moving to the side profile, the proportions are balanced perfectly, longer, wider, and slightly lower than before, giving it a sportier yet commanding presence. The available 21-inch alloy wheels make a statement, while subtle chrome or blacked-out trim options allow buyers to customize the SUV's personality. Around the back, the 2026 Grand Cherokee features a redesigned tailgate with full-width LED tail lamps, a new roof spoiler, and a more sculpted bumper for a cohesive, upscale finish. Every inch of this vehicle speaks to a harmonious blend of luxury and adventure. Step inside, and you'll see how Jeep has truly elevated the Grand Cherokee into a premium segment contender. The cabin feels like a sanctuary of high-end materials, cutting-edge technology, and intuitive ergonomics. Premium leather upholstery is standard on higher trims, with optional quilted patterns and contrast stitching for a handcrafted look. Real wood, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber accents are available, depending on the trim level. Ambient LED lighting with customizable colors enhances the atmosphere, letting drivers set the perfect mood for any journey. At the heart of the dashboard is Jeep's latest Uconnect 6 infotainment system, displayed on a massive 14.5-inch high-resolution touchscreen. The interface is faster, cleaner, and more responsive than ever, with over-the-air updates ensuring it stays up to date. A separate 10.25-inch digital driver display provides customizable information from navigation maps to off-road stats. For passengers, the new Jeep passenger screen allows co-pilots to stream media, assist with navigation, or adjust entertainment without distracting the driver. Technology extends beyond screens, with advanced AI-powered voice recognition that understands natural speech commands. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with integrated Amazon Alexa and a premium 23-speaker Macintosh audio system that delivers a concert-like listening experience. Jeep has also integrated advanced navigation with real-time traffic, weather updates, and even off-road trail mapping for those who want to take the Grand Cherokee beyond the pavement. When it comes to seating, the 2026 Grand Cherokee offers both 2-row and 3-row configurations, allowing buyers to choose between the Grand Cherokee and Grand Cherokee L. The seats are redesigned for long-haul comfort, with available 16-way power adjustments, heating, ventilation, and even a massage function for front passengers. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, heated and ventilated seats, and dual 12.1-inch entertainment displays with streaming capabilities. Cargo space is equally impressive, with a power liftgate and clever storage solutions throughout the cabin. Fold the rear seats, and you get a flat-load floor perfect for road trips, outdoor gear, or weekend shopping sprees. Jeep even offers a hands-free tailgate opening feature. Just wave your foot under the bumper, and the liftgate opens automatically. Performance is where the 2026 Grand Cherokee truly shines. Jeep offers a variety of powertrains to suit every driver's needs. The standard engine is a refined 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, delivering strong performance with improved fuel efficiency. For those craving more power, a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 remains available, producing exhilarating acceleration and a muscular exhaust note. However, Jeep's most talked-about option is the all-new 3.0-liter Hurricane twin-turbo inline-six, offering over 500 horsepower in high-output form while maintaining excellent efficiency for its class. For eco-conscious drivers, the Grand Cherokee 4Z plug-in hybrid continues to evolve, now offering an extended electric-only range of up to 40 miles and a combined output of over 375 horsepower. The hybrid system seamlessly blends gasoline and electric power, allowing for whisper-quiet city driving or powerful off-road performance when needed. All models come with Jeep's advanced Quadra-Track and Quadra-Drive 24x4 systems, ensuring legendary off-road capability. Select terrain drive modes: Auto, Sport, Rock, Snow, and Mud, Sand, allow the Grand Cherokee to adapt to virtually any condition. The available Quadra lift air suspension can raise the vehicle for maximum ground clearance when tackling tough trails or lower it for improved aerodynamics on the highway. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the Trailhawk trim, which returns with even more capability. Features include locking differentials, skid plates, all-terrain tires, and a front-facing trail cam for navigating tricky obstacles. With water fording capabilities up to 24 inches and an approach angle that rivals dedicated off-roaders, the Grand Cherokee Trailhawk remains one of the most capable SUVs in its class. Safety is another area where the 2026 Grand Cherokee leads the pack. Jeep has equipped it with the most advanced driver assistance technologies yet, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a new 360-degree camera system with a cleaning function for the lenses. Night vision assist uses infrared sensors to detect pedestrians and animals beyond the reach of headlights, while intersection collision assist helps prevent accidents in busy urban areas. For highway cruising, the new Jeep Hands-Free Active Drive Assist allows for semi-autonomous driving on approved roads, handling acceleration, braking, and steering while keeping the driver engaged and aware. The system is constantly learning and updating to improve performance and safety. Fuel efficiency has also been improved across the lineup, thanks to lightweight materials, aerodynamic enhancements, and more efficient powertrains. The hybrid and inline-six engines in particular offer impressive mileage without compromising performance. The driving experience is smoother and more refined than ever, thanks to retuned suspension systems, improved sound insulation, and precision steering. Whether cruising along the coast, navigating city streets, or exploring rugged mountain trails, the 2026 Grand Cherokee feels equally at home. Jeep has also made customization a priority. Buyers can choose from a wide range of trims, from the well-equipped base model to the ultra-luxurious Summit Reserve, which rivals premium brands in comfort and features. A variety of paint colors, wheel designs, and interior finishes allow owners to create a Grand Cherokee that truly reflects their personality. Even the smallest details have been thoughtfully considered. Soft touch materials extend to the door panels and dashboard. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, and the climate control system can be tailored for each passenger. USB-C charging ports, wireless charging pads, and multiple power outlets keep all devices powered on the go. In terms of connectivity, Jeep's app allows owners to start the engine remotely, lock or unlock doors, check fuel and battery levels, and even locate their vehicle via GPS. For 4Z models, charging status and scheduling can also be managed through the app. The 2026 Grand Cherokee represents a bold step forward for Jeep, combining luxury, technology, and capability in a way few SUVs can match. It remains true to its adventurous spirit while embracing the future with modern powertrains and intelligent features. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a family seeking comfort and safety, or someone who simply wants a stylish and powerful SUV, the new Grand Cherokee offers a configuration that's perfect for you. This SUV doesn't just compete with the best, it aims to set a new benchmark in its segment. From its commanding design to its luxurious interior, from its powerful engines to its world-class off-road capability, the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee is ready to lead the way into the next era of adventure. And for drivers around the world, that means the journey ahead just got a whole lot more exciting. If you're looking for an SUV that blends tradition with innovation, performance with efficiency, and ruggedness with elegance, the 2026 Grand Cherokee should be at the top of your list. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of freedom, capability, and style. Jeep has once again proven that the spirit of adventure is alive and well, and it's rolling into the future with confidence. Because in the world of SUVs, there's ordinary, and then there's the Jeep Grand Cherokee. And in 2026, the gap between the two has never been wider. I can extend this script to a full 2,000 word length with more deep dive sections on engineering, trim level breakdown.